Thanks! I'm gonna be blind after this. Great! Yay! Yay! What? Yay! I don't want to be blind. Alright, which one? Oh my gosh. Oh, badge.
That just reminds me of Mr. Shepard.
Oh, there's a deer on that one. And a Santa Claus. Oh, dang. It could be. Don't ruin the spirit. Then subscribe to my channel. Yay. What the fudge? What the fudge? Ah! Ah! I'm gonna be blinded. I'm gonna be blinded. Great, you guys are gonna make me blinded. But I don't really mind being deaf, but being blind, that will be horrible. Helen Keller. Oh my gosh, it's like red. Oh my god, that's me. Oh my god, that's me. I would totally want to have my quad in this. Oh my gosh, it's smoking. I would totally want to have my quad in this slideshow. Who would want me to have a GoPro and have me in the slideshow next year's?
That's nice.
Katie, what if I had a GoPro and I was in this slideshow and I was riding my quad? I'm totally having that. It seems pretty lit.
Oh, look at that.
It seems pretty lit.
Whatever.
Hey, Copper, I got one question for you. One of those.
Show me my crown.
I'm gonna be deaf. I'm gonna be deaf. Make me deaf. Make me deaf.
Hello.
I totally am gonna like be on a T-post. Totally be on a T-post. Yeah, make me deaf, why don't you?
I like the...
Make me deaf, why don't you?
I like all the walking stuff. Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's another me. There's another me. I'm about to go deaf. I'm about to go deaf.
It's just so hard driving this though.
Bro, I would drive I want to decorate my quad.
I know. Katie, you need to totally have like GoPros to do this.
That's loud.
Ah! Ah! I want to be deaf. I don't want to be deaf yet, though.
Oh my god.